Hello friends, I hope you all will be fine. Today I will tell you how to fix your cycle's disc. First you need this LK set. You can see the lever. It's coming to the end. Whoa. You have to choose which LK will open your cycle's nut. I will use two numbers T25 and T30. Now I have taken these two out. First you have to open this nut. Now it's opened. Now I will open these two nuts, this down one and this upper one. Now I am opening this down one. And now upper one. Now you can see the disc have become loose. Now I am telling you that how to fix your disc. First grab this wire like this. You can see the wire. Grab it like this. Then say someone to pull the lever. Now I have tightened this nut. My partner have grabbed the lever. Now I will tighten these two nuts. You can see there is also a nut on the side. You have also tightened it. Have to tighten it. Also on the other side. Now I have tightened these both patches well, these nuts. Now move the pedal and test the disc. Now you can see I am pedaling. How the disc is gripping. You can see it's gripping very well now. I hope my video will help you to tighten your cycle's disc. But before leaving, don't forget to like and subscribe.